We have lost our youngest victim, a 1-year-old boy, to this deadly virus.
The governor paused, restarted, paused again. His voice quivered to the very end, talking about a 1-year-old who died of COVID, the youngest yet. That was tough to listen to and watch today right here at 4 o'clock on WMAR. I'm Jamie Costello. Thank you for joining us here tonight at 11 o'clock. The governor described this pandemic as a war, and now he's calling in the cavalry to help in the battle against COVID-19. Listen, if you have a calling, this may be your time. WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland is live, as you see, at MedSTAR Union Memorial Hospital tonight. Ray, the governor is also asking universities to allow nursing students to graduate early.
Yeah, Jamie, the governor says some hospitals here in the state are already being overwhelmed with patients. Of course, as we know, frontline workers are being pushed to the brink, too. Is why the governor is looking to get help anywhere he can get it. And that means getting nursing students and folks with clinical backgrounds into these hospitals as fast as possible. Governor Larry Hogan is calling on school nurses, retired healthcare workers, and even medical students to step up and help in the fight against COVID-19. A part of the governor's new initiative called Maryland Med Now, these workers will help staff hospitals and other areas of need to fight off a surge that could overwhelm the state's healthcare system.
COVID hospitalizations have increased by 51% over the past 2 weeks.
During his news conference Tuesday afternoon, the governor said 21 hospitals in the state have already reached capacity. The state also says they'll need about 2,000 to 3,000 more workers to keep up with the influx of patients.
So I think it's an important initiative and a good idea.
Haley Mark is the chair of the Department of Nursing at Towson University. She says the school is willing and ready to help. Mark says 66% of the school's seniors will graduate early Wednesday.
The majority of our students work as certified nursing assistants while they're in school. So many of them have a lot of experience at these hospitals and they see what's going on.
And at Coppin State, the Dean of College Health Professions, Dr. TRACEY Murray, says students in their nursing program will be able to enter the workforce later this month.
Many of our students, the first time that they would be going into practice typically would be the first week in February. So I do see ourselves as being a critical part in the initiative.
And the governor is also asking colleges and universities to give students academic credit if they're willing to work during the pandemic. Now, if anyone is interested in serving, we have a link up on our website at WMAR2news.com. Live in Baltimore, Ray Strickland, WMAR2 News.
All right, Ray.